Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Chelmsford, a lively community in Ontario located just northwest of Sudbury. This town has a rich history rooted in farming, forestry, and mining, with settlers arriving in the late 1800s to build new lives in northern Ontario. Many early residents were of French and English heritage, and their traditions still influence the community today. Chelmsford is named after the city of Chelmsford in England, a nod to the hometown of some of its early settlers. Over the years, it has grown into a family-friendly place with schools, shops, parks, and a strong community spirit. The surrounding countryside offers beautiful views, especially in the fall when the colors come alive. Whether you're visiting for the scenery, the history, or the people, Chelmsford offers a warm Northern Ontario welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Chelmsford, Ontario.